Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's video we'll go through about Aries Touch. Aries Touch is a professional mobile CAD app by Graybert, designed for editing and annotating DWG drawings on Android and iOS devices. It's ideal for civil engineers who need to access and work on drawings at construction sites or during inspections. Key features include 2D drafting tools, layer control, entity snapping, voice and image annotations, and seamless integration with cloud platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. It supports both online and offline use, making it practical in the field. The app is available via a monthly subscription, around $9 to $12, with a free mode for viewing in basic dimensions. For full CAD workflows, the Aries Trinity bundle, Touch Plus Commander Desktop Plus Kudo Cloud, offers better value and multi-platform collaboration. Aries Touch enhances on-site productivity, allowing engineers to mark up plans, take notes, and sync changes instantly with office teams, ensuring up-to-date project data anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. We'll meet up soon with another interesting topic. Stay tuned. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming new sessions. Have a nice day.